Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $80,000. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, running boards, anti-lock braking system, door edge guards, fog lights, power brakes, driver side remote mirror, dual exhaust, rear window wiper, interval wipers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.